Welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. I would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get right into it. Honey, are you into a cozy girl fall? Like, are there fragrances that you really look for or grab for all the time during your cooler or chillier seasons? And that is what this video is about. Some signature scents that I would recommend for a cozy girl fall. Okay, so let's get right into it. This one is not a new fragrance, right? It's a beautiful fragrance, but it's not a new baby. But it has rose, you have patchouli, it's a little woody, but oh so right. It has some oud in this, and I am talking about berdoues, okay? And this is Oud Wa Ward, okay? I'm always pronouncing that name wrong, but the beautiful scents that's in this, the beautiful notes, and we have the note of, you said it, vanilla. But this is such a classy scent. So I would not say blind buy this. I said it's patchouli in this, oud, and rose. I would not recommend blind buying this, but it is a reasonable price point that maybe you want to blind buy this. However, this is more so like if you like the classic Chanel smell, I would say you would enjoy this, okay? This is not your more modern type of vanilla and oud fragrance. This is very classy. This is a very classy woman. And so that is why I say this is not going to be for everyone, but oh, it smells so good on the skin and you get compliments, and it's so great in the chilly seasons. I would definitely not say wear this in the spring, summer, or if you're in a hot season place, I wouldn't even recommend that, right? This is for those that are in the winter, very cold season, or if you're traveling, maybe you pick this up. But this is a classic DNA, okay? And that's why I think of Chanel. Chanel gives me like classic DNA. If you kind of get my drift, like Chanel number 5. Not just the whole, like the Chanel number 5 type of DNA. I know. So this is not going to be for everyone, which I understand, but and if you are a sweet girl like me, like, you know, like it is hard for us to go like on this classic journey, this oud journey, period. Like if you're a gourmand girl and you like, sometimes you struggle like, oud, classic, Chanel number 5, absolutely not, right? Like you're on this journey, like sometimes that's in my mind, but this was so pretty. It's such a pretty vanilla, and I cannot grab this for every occasion, but when I'm going for something like very business forward, like a business meeting, something that I want to be serious about, right? Or want to be positioned as like serious, or, you know, put together, smelling good, you know, very elevated woman, hear me war type of thing. Like if I was in a room filled with men in business, this is what I would wear, okay? To definitely stand out. So very great fragrance. Highly would recommend for a girl cozy fall. Next up, another fragrance that is not new to my channel at all. I talk about it quite a bit. It is another kind of serious, classic boss woman, but it definitely puts me in a mind of a more modern, like nowadays type of boss woman, okay? And that is from mindgames, Jadoube. You all knew, okay? This beautiful pomegranate fragrance. I would even recommend this for my brothers, my male cousins out there. Absolutely. This is a definite unisex fragrance for Oh, and it's so good. It's very luxe and pomegranate and fruity, but not fruity floral where you're like, oh, I can't be taken serious. Oh no, you are in the room. This is a luxury type of scent. And listen, the tester is over there, or like what I just sprayed, this thing is over here and I smell it, okay, throughout the room. It is so good. Highly would recommend you get Jadoube. It is so cozy. And on those chilly nights, like you go from a cozy girl fall to a cozy woman fall. Okay, this is woman and man. Like this is so good for the fall season. Highly would recommend. Absolutely a signature scent on chilly days. Absolutely 10 out of 10. You have to get your nose on it. It is expensive, so please get your nose on it before you blind buying a for almost $500 bottle of fragrance. Yeah. Moving on. Next up for my gourmand girlies, you all know I have to put in a cozy, okay? Cozy girl fall signature scent. We gotta have some sweets in this for the chilliness, but this is Miss Popular Girl. This is Miss Banana Rum and Beauty, okay? And you all know what I'm talking about, and that is none other than Ambrosia Imperiale from navitusparfums in partnership with the AI the Great. Honey, when I talk about dates, ooh, when you talk about cinnamon, when you talk about spice and everything nice and banana and oh, I can't even talk. Oh my gosh, when you talk about something sweet and beautiful and that just is, you can wear it every day. You can wear it as a signature scent. In the cold season, oh, it's a standout, okay? This, ooh, they will smell you and smell you and smell you some more and want to smell you. And actually, they're going to probably I'm talking about they're the people, going to want you to sit right next to them so they can just continue to smell you. Like, it's one of those impactful fragrances that many creators, many people surrounding you, if they're into fragrances, what we'll talk about, okay? It is so good. It stayed sold out for quite a bit in the beginning for great reasons. This is amazing. Ambrosia Imperiale, like the AI the Great, one of her best concoctions. I was seeing this on like different media spaces, different fragrance spaces. Absolutely one that hits the masses. You want to get this. Definitely had to be on this list of a cozy girl fall. You need this. This needs to be in your wardrobe for real. Okay? Not that I would question your wardrobe, but I would be like, sis, where she at? Just where she at? We ain't gonna talk about you, but you're missing something. But Ambrosia Imperiale, so good. Such a beautiful, fruity, spice, everything nice, sweet, but not too sweet, kind of fragrance. It's absolutely beautiful, okay? Dates, and I've had body wash that had dates and it didn't work out. So, so that's in this fragrance and it still works. That note to be in this fragrance and it still works, it's amazing, okay? Get your hands on it. Absolutely had to be on this list. Now, I think if this warm, spicy fragrance was not on this list, you would all question me like up and down, around and around, okay? This beautiful, I'm gonna spray it, but this beautiful, and you just saw the bottle. Saffron cinnamon. This is Silky Woods from Goldfieldbanks. You all, it is so good. The oud that's in here is just not off-putting. The ylang-ylang that's in this, it is so good. The jasmine that's in this, it is amazing. Silky Woods is so beautiful and absolutely for the cozy girl fall signature scent, chilly days. You need this. This is so good. And I know that they have an intense. I don't have that, but I love me some Silky Woods, especially for the season. Okay, sweater season, boot season. This is absolutely a winner. Such a good, great woody fragrance, especially if you're a gourmand girly like me and you look for that like sweetness in something. This is a great fragrance in between like vanilla and woods and saffron and sexiness and comfort. This is such a great blended fragrance. Highly would recommend you get this beauty called Silky Woods in your wardrobe for your cozy girl fall. And last but certainly not least, don't think because I haven't talked about her that she is not going to be on this list, okay? This beautiful Latonic fragrance is a standout, is so great. You think it's simplistic, but it's not. It is amazing, so good, and I'm talking about none other. It is duped, but the original is still great, okay? But that is Blanche Bete from liquidesimaginaires. This is so good. This vanilla, musky, oh gosh, Latonic. You talk about a signature scent. You can wear this anywhere, to bed, dress it up, dress it down. Oh, and it's so cozy and creamy. I mean, this is such a beautiful, creamy, fantasy type of fragrance. It is beautiful, okay? And those that have it know, like, just think, like, getting out of a great bubble bath, stepping out of that and putting this on, dousing yourself in this. Like, you're not gonna want to go to bed because you're like, I need to go somewhere. Like, I need to wear all white, or I need to like wear this like classy, beautiful, sophisticated type of look to step out. Like, it's so beautiful. Like, a Latonic fragrance sometimes gets like too sappy where it can't be luxury. This is the perfect blend of luxury, cozy, Latonic, musky, fantasy, beautiful type of fragrance. This is beautiful, okay? So absolutely had to be on this list for the cozy girl fall signature scent. Yeah, absolutely, hands down, this is beautiful and one that you need in your wardrobe. Well, that's all, family, for my cozy girl fall signature scent in some chilly weather, okay? What are you rocking and rolling with in some chilly weather out there? All right, I would love to know. Comment down below. What would be your picks for a cozy girl fall? I definitely want to know, okay? Because I might need to pick a sample up. Well, fam, make sure that you subscribe. Give me the thumbs up if you enjoyed the content. Make sure that you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one has told you that you're more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, fam. I love you so much. Bye.